Are you looking to burn fat and speed up your metabolism? Look no further than this homemade oatmeal drink. It's simple to make and packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. To make this drink, start by adding oat flakes to a bowl. Then, add water and mix well. Oats are a super healthy ingredient that contains lots of fiber, protein, and essential minerals. These nutrients help improve digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Let the oats soak for 30 minutes, then transfer them to a blender. Add milk to the blender, along with a teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is amazing because it can speed up your metabolism and help burn fat faster. Plus, it helps regulate blood sugar levels, which can reduce cravings. Blend everything together until you have a smooth drink. Drink this beverage every morning at breakfast for 10 days straight. Not only will it give you the energy you need for your day, but it will also promote healthy weight loss. So why wait? Start your morning off right with this delicious and nutritious oatmeal drink.